Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be going over the controls of a D6N Dozer. So to start off with, we'll go to this side and just work our way across. Right here's our ripper controls, so moving these up and down just moves the rippers on the dozer, up and down. Then we have our throttle switch right here, which we can use to throttle the machine up and throttle it down. This is our blade control, so raising and lowering it. And then this controls our pat, so raise, lower, left and right. And then next up we have our just phase controls. So we have our auto shifter, which allows us to either auto shift up or down depending on the situation. They are a little clunky on these older dozers though, so I don't recommend ever really using them. Our gear pre-selector for our gears, so if we want to have different gear setup, so it'll just automatically go into different gears when we go forwards and in reverse, we can use this. This is just our menu button, so it just lets us switch through the different settings on just this little menu here, showing us our hours, our kilometers, all that type of stuff. Of course, our ignition's right here. Right here is the light control, so off, working lights, and then on. Our fan controls heat and cold. Of course, just like every other dozer, it does have these types of seat controls underneath here. So for moving the seat back and forth, as well as your air suspension. So you can raise and lower the seat. On this side, we have our drive controls. So right here is our park brake. Pull it up to put it on, and then push it down to turn it back off. To drive forwards, reverse, it just switches like that. And then we can change gears using this these two little buttons here. We can also just do this to turn, so just left and right steers the machine. And we can just put our park brake back on, stop the machine from being able to move. And then we have, of course, our standard little emergency stop switch right there. You pull that up and it acts as a positive air shutoff. Up top we have all of our wiper controls. And other than that, there's not much to these older dozers. We do of course have a little horn that you can use to honk at truck drivers who aren't listening. Yeah. Hope you guys found this video interesting, if not informative. See you in the next one.